Hi, my name is Anya and I work on global citizenship education with Global Action Plan. So the Sustainable Development Goals were created by the United Nations in 2015. They're a set of 17 global goals. I just have a few here. And they're all designed to create a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for everyone by 2030. So at Gap Ireland, we use the Sustainable Development Goals as an educational tool to engage learners of all ages with global issues and the skills needed to take local action. So Goal 4.7 is one that we work on quite a lot at Global Action Plan, and this is educating people in global citizenship education, education for sustainable development, and how we do that in the Gloss Community Garden is upskilling volunteers in organic growing methods while ensuring that they understand the global benefits of growing and sourcing food locally, and how this is actually going to have a really powerful role to play in combating climate change at a local level. We also work towards Goal 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, and we do this by ensuring that there is a safe green space that serves as a social hub for local community members to come and enjoy, meet each other, chat, and as well get all the learning benefits they can from gardening from Sharon, Global Action Plan's gardener. So the Gloss Community Garden, we work towards responsible consumption and production. We do this by composting, rainwater harvesting, and we reuse all of our materials to ensure that we get as much as possible from our resources so that nothing goes to waste. Our Gloss Community Garden is located in Ballymun, and it serves all different types of people from different ages, different backgrounds and different abilities to ensure inclusivity and also access to fresh, local and organic produced products that they get to then share and reap the benefits together.